Hi everyone, this is Broken Column by Frida Kahlo. This is an oil on canvas painting with a wooden board as the backing. The measurements are 39.8 centimeters height and 30.6 centimeters width. This picture has a really distinct style. Frida firmly painted down each stroke to create a beautiful, clean, and crisp image. There are no expert brush strokes, and the colors are contained with outlines as precisely as possible. In this painting, Kahlo used a limited palette. Warm yellows, oranges, browns, and traces of red spectrums make up the background, which is a sandy and rocky brown environment. Kahlo's skin is black with a tinge of pink, and she wears pastel pink and white bandages. The cooler colors of the bandages and corset, as well as the cool colored sky in the background, break up the warm colors of the skin and the scenery. Kahlo combines aspects of visual art to express her feelings and share them with the viewer. Line, shape, color, texture, and space are all elements of this which combine and generate the design's principle of rhythm, emphasis, balance, variation, and unity. To begin with, this work contains a large number of lines. Horizontal lines on the background all point to the focal point, which is Frida in the middle. There are inferred lines as well, diagonal and horizontal lines in the cracks. Perspective is also another element in this piece. Frida is in the picture's foreground. In the background, you can see the sky and the environment. Behind is the blanket behind the woman. The nails appear to be three-dimensional and stand out from the background and are the objects nearest to us. The colors also contribute to the creation of a new perspective. The background's cold hues of blue, brownish, and yellow make it appear far away, whereas the woman's color of reddish-orange make her appear closer. The nails on her body, as well as all the cracks in the backdrop, have a rhythm. The emphasis is on the art/architectural column, which is almost exactly in the center of the image and where all the lines lead to. Frida is in the center with a white and blue contrasting with brown. The colors is well balanced with greater and lower values, resulting in a pleasing balance within the piece.